Alright, this is one of the elevators at the McKeldin Library, University of Maryland College Park. Thank you. And there's, by the way, there's Ada's elevators.
Yep.
What brand is this? Oh, Quality.
I have no idea. They did the mod and slap on. Somewhere.
Hopefully it's a down call.
It's probably a down call.
So yeah, like he said, this is a slap-on, but who did this mod? We don't know. But it's still a DC drive, it's just a
It's
slap-on.
Quality that did the mod.
Yeah, yeah, but the
I don't
actual
know what it
installer.
was.
Yeah, that's why I'd love to see the machine room for this, but it has a down call, so we'll let them use it. Just so you can see, you can barely see the machine room. And there it goes, hope you enjoyed.